Building the future, enriching the present is the work ethos at CIDCO. Raring to take on mega projects in infrastructure, transforming land into life. CIDCO's success story at Navi Mumbai is a saga of how a blueprint transforms into an entity by harnessing emerging technologies with attention to humane needs. Mumbai, the financial capital of India, had become saturated and was bursting at its seams, with overpopulation increasing the load on its infrastructure. The year was 1970. 344 square kilometers of undeveloped land in close proximity to Mumbai beckoned CIDCO to take up a challenge and lay the foundation of a parallel mega city, now home to over 2 million people. It was the meticulous attention to details and timely execution which resulted in this vibrant metro. To enrich the lives of the original inhabitants who had limited means, CIDCO transformed their land, returned a part of it, and gave them a world-class ambience with plenty of employment opportunities. CIDCO, the City and Industrial Development Corporation, Maharashtra Limited, fully owned by the Government of Maharashtra, originated as an infrastructure development authority. With the success of Navi Mumbai, it has proven its credentials. Navi Mumbai is developed on a polycentric pattern of nodes interconnected by a mass rapid transit system, each node with all facilities almost at a stone's throw. Well-planned roads, internal expressways and flyovers, modern stations with commercial complexes, state-of-the-art IT complexes, super specialty hospitals, superlative educational facilities, etc., etc., with enough space and scope to embrace further development. Right since its inception, the primary focus has been housing. Homes that breathe freely, with greens and open spaces all around them. With special emphasis on offering affordable mass housing from the low-income group to high-value, high-income, intelligent housing. Navi Mumbai is enveloped with education infrastructure encompassing all disciplines. Today, the city is a haven for students, with a host of institutes offering many academic streams. The city serves its residents with a network of hospitals and health centers comparable to the best in the world. Roads and railways here are the lifeline of smooth travel and great speed. 6 corridors of suburban rail, with every railway station not only an architectural marvel, but some of them also hosting premium commercial complexes. The central business district is surrounded by a highly picturesque hilly terrain and is easily accessible from all nodes. It is a well-planned expanse, 20 times the size of Mumbai's business district, Nariman Point. The International Infotech Park houses well-known international conglomerates. The International Technology Center is over 10 lakh square feet of luxury with state-of-the-art data connectivity. It is a haven for businesses with global and national coverage. Asia's largest wholesale market complex in Vashi has won the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Urban Planning and Design. Kharghar, one of the most artistically developed nodes with lush natural beauty, will soon attract some unique landmarks of the future. The splendor of an emerging super city is all around. Every moment of the future holds excitement. The potential of development amidst Navi Mumbai's scenic environs is massive. The proposed Navi Mumbai Special Economic Zone, a bureaucracy-free, deemed foreign territory, a new impetus for international trade. The International Airport, a state-of-the-art greenfield airport, one of the few in the world. A central park on the lines of those in London and New York. An 18-hole golf course, a boost to the country's tourism sector. An urban hub, a medium to present the diversity of India's culture. An international diplomatic enclave, envisioned to serve as a gateway to countries to engage in mutually beneficial collaborations. An exhibition cum convention centre, a brilliant impression of forward planning. The Mangrove Wetland Centre, a conservation project to spread awareness of marshlands. CIDCO also builds vibrant and holistic infrastructure all over the country. CIDCO symbolizes the spirit of commitment, a town planner that cares for its inhabitants, provides infrastructure for enterprises to flourish, creating a sustainable model for ongoing expansion and growth. CIDCO's blueprint begins from a free mind that knows no limitations, the desire to convert land to life.